have all gathered here to celebrate a special festival today. You know what that is? Any idea? You guys are right! It's Dussehra today! Happy Dussehra, everyone! Before we understand why we celebrate Dussehra, let's look at the word Dussehra first. So, Dussehra is made up of two words. Das, Hara. Das means 10 and Hara means defeat. So Dussehra is the day we celebrate as the defeat of the 10 evil-faced Ravan. Dussehra is celebrated all over the country with much enthusiasm. In the state of West Bengal, it's celebrated with Durga Puja. In Gujarat, it's celebrated with some Dandiya and Garba dance. In many states of northern India, it's celebrated with Ram Leela and Ravan Dahan on the 10th day. That's burning the Ravan's effigy on the final day of Dussehra. So the celebration of Dussehra revolves a lot around food, fireworks, traditional clothing, some dancing and puja. So now let's understand why we celebrate Dussehra. But first, let's meet some characters of Ramayana. This is Lord Ram, his beloved wife Mata Sita, his younger brother Lakshman, his worshipper and devotee Hanuman, and this is Ravan, the king of Lanka. Lord Ram was on exile, so was living in a forest with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman. One day, when Lord Ram wasn't home, Ravan, dressed up as a beggar, tricked Sita and abducted her.
भिक्षाम देहि सुखी रहो पुत्री।
दान ग्रहण कीजिए।
मैं त्यागी हूँ पुत्री, किसी भवन की छाया भी मेरे लिए वर्जित है। तुम यहाँ आकर भिक्षा दो।
क्षमा करें महामुनि, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती। मैं ये रेखा नहीं लांघ सकती।
यह अपमान है, घोर अपमान। मैं तुम्हारे दान का भूखा नहीं। यदि देना है तो इधर आ, नहीं तो मैं जाता हूँ। पर स्मृति रहे, द्वार पर आए साधु का निरादर ईश्वर भी क्षमा नहीं करता। अलौक निरंजन।
रुकिए ऋषिवर।
धन्य हो पुत्री।
सावधान रावण, तूने मेरा हरण नहीं किया, अपने काल को बुलाया है। तेरा सर्वनाश होगा।
चलो।
When Lord Ram and Lakshman got to know, they immediately set off their journey to Lanka. On their way, they were also joined by Lord Ram's devotee Hanuman. Finally, on reaching Lanka, there was a huge battle between Ravan and Lord Ram's army. The battle continued for several days. It was a huge battle. And after fighting for several days, finally Ravan was defeated by Lord Ram. And that's why we celebrate Dussehra. Ravan always this bad? Actually, not. Ravan was indeed a very intelligent man. He had read prestigious books like Vedas and Upanishads. He was the master of astronomy, the one who knew stars and planets' movement really well. He played Veena really well. He was a powerful ruler of Lanka. He was extremely powerful.
విశ్వనాయక రాజ్య పాలక వేల వేల కోట్ల అగ్ని పర్వతాల కలయిక శక్తి సూచిక యుక్తి పాచిక సహస్ర సూర్య సాగరాలు ఒక్కటైన కదలిక వీర శూర క్రూర కుమార నిరంకుశంగా దూకుతున్న దానవేశ్వరా చోర ఘోర అఘోర కర్కసంగరే గుతుండ కాల కింకర రావణ శత్రు శేషణ
Have you wondered what turned this powerful, bright, and intelligent man into an evil Rakshas? That was his ego, his arrogance, and greed. He started believing that he was all in all. He was the most powerful person in the world. He started believing that everything belonged to him and nobody was as intelligent or powerful than him. He wanted to grab, snatch, and take what was not his, which made him do some wrong things. He abducted Sita, which led into a battle between Lord Ram and Ravan. And finally, that was the end of Ravan's time. But I was wondering, we all have certain evils in us. There's little Ravan in us too, that means. Why don't we celebrate this Dashera by burning the Ravan, the evils in us? Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we celebrate this Dashera by getting rid of our own inner evils? We all have certain bad habits, isn't it? I have some too. Let me tell you, I'm a hog for burgers. I eat a lot of junk food. And this Dashera, I pledge that I'm gonna avoid as much as junk food as I can. I know it's not good for me. It makes me unhealthy and lazy. But still I tend to eat it. But not anymore. I'm planning to avoid or quit all the junk food that I can. Hey, why not do a good deed too? So let me think. Oh yes, I will do one good deed on this Dashera too. I have lots of books and I'm planning to share it with my family and friends so that they can bring a smile to them too. Sharing is good, I've heard about that. Why don't you guys also think of a bad habit that you can get rid of and a good deed that you can do this Dashera? Send me your ideas, whatever you do. Happy Dashera, everyone!
Oh.